Okay, everybody. So this morning, as we wake up, we find a leakage downstairs. I say, when it rain, it pours. Satan, you're wicked, but in not that way. All right. So this morning we come, we see there's a leakage here in the ceiling, and the water is dripping, as you can see. Right. It went up the whole of our dining table, and we have to put this little bucket here. Anyway, I call in for some help from friends of mine, and they're going to try to come in this evening to see what where this leakage is coming from. I'm telling you. And here it is. I'm planning a little trip, and this thing have to happen now. Yeah. So the whole of the ceiling has to be taken down from right there. That's where my bathroom is. So I think it's leaking from the bathroom. You know. Yeah. Uh, you can see it's dripping. The whole place is leaking. I want to know if we have to turn off the bathroom. Is there a way we can turn off the bathroom um, thing upstairs? That knob to make sure the water's not running? Hello, everyone. Marlon here, J.H. Honey Boy. As you can see, it rains, it pours. I do not know. The devil is just always there. We have to stand up and fight this devil. No matter what happens, something new comes up. So after yesterday, making my video with Climber, this morning we woke up and the whole of here has been leaking. And we just found a major leak here. So we had to call a plumber. It's now about 25 minutes to 9. And we have a major leak in the house. We have to be moving everything around. I'll show it to you. Okay.
Está complicado, complicator.
Always something new. You, Walter?
Complicator.
Yeah, so guys, I know Auntie Pauline is stressed out, but it's life. We can't make this thing stress us. We have to overcome all of this, right? So we just have to face it and try to deal with it. Get this all fixed. So they will fix the pipe tonight, and then another day or two, they will come and sheetrock it. Now, guys, it's very cold outside right now. Tomorrow's going to be below 6 tomorrow here. So you have to excuse the house right now. It's a mess because everything is around. Oh, Lord. Little mom don't want to come downstairs because all of this is happening right now. We're making plans to make a trip, and I think we might have to cancel these trips. Winter time is not the best time to really travel, especially for the month of February, because I think it's one of the coldest months and it snows a lot. So let's see what he's doing here. We have Walter helping out, Pops. I'm helping out videotaping. I mean, unbelievable. Just one thing after the other. Uh-oh, he's burning up the house. I think he thinks it's tortilla. There's no water in the house right now. We turn the pipes off. Whoa, be careful.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh.
¿Ah?
Well, I wanted to go out and get some nice little shots today from my little channel, but I couldn't get out. So we'll do, I'm just trying to make a little recording of this here. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we'll see. That thing is not good for my eyes, though. I don't like to see that for my eyes. But be careful. Pops, you don't try catch nothing if it fall, okay? Because it could be hot. Hold on. Hold on. Is that going to drop on the floor and kind of damage the floor? The heat?
The heat?
That thing, whatever might melt and drop off. Yeah, correct.
And the water. And hopefully it's not in my head.
I mean, we can always buy back your head, but...
Not my floor.
Not my floor. How long have you been doing this kind of work, Juan?
Juan, ¿cuánto tiempo has hecho esto?
He don't speak when he's working. He says 1 day. Juan speaks good enough English. I have known Juan for a couple of years now. Oh, girls, Juan wanted to tell me that he was single. Juan is what, 60 years old? No, Juan is in his late 40s, I think.
Late 60s.
Or maybe late 50s. Wow. Oh.
Fire, fire, fire.
So, AuntyPaulineYaadtoAbroad, my mom, she's very stressed out now with the whole of this. You know. But listen, things can be fixed, you know. Thanks to Walter, because I didn't have Juan's number. Thanks to Walter, he found Juan for the night because we could not find anybody else. You see that? Yeah. Pops, be careful. I can hear Mom walking upstairs. He's a little depressed right now. Well, you can see what's going on. So I will try to do a video tomorrow in the kitchen. Maybe Mom won't want to do it because the place won't be fixed. And knowing Mom, she don't like to do that. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Guys, just please send like a prayer for her. And hopefully this will all be done within the next couple of days.
Sí, eso está caliente. Peligroso.
Walter went out and bought mangoes, 2 mango today. Let me see the ugly looking mangoes. These are coming in, I think, from Mexico. I don't know what kind of mango this is. Oh. What's he doing there? Sanding it? Oh.
Ahorita que se caliente ya lo tiramos.
I have a broken teeth. I wonder if you could sand my teeth down. Sometimes you have to make fun and jokes when things happen. Can't be too serious. Yeah. If you notice, Mom, we didn't even cook today. Right? We literally didn't cook anything today because Mommy's just a little bit depressed with the whole thing. And I am starving, so I guess afterwards I will go out and try to buy something at this hour of the night. It's now, what, maybe, I think it's about maybe 20 or quarter to 9. I gotta go and get something. I know Mom and George just had like tea and some bread, and I think they had a corned beef sandwich. Walter, they hold your backside outside. So Walter is a painter. He does a lot of painting as well. All right. Let's end this for now. Okay, I'm going to step outside and show you what we have to do. It is so cold that we have to throw salt. And if you notice, you'll see salt all over on the floor, on the ground. That's salt. Because it's going to be so cold tonight, it's going to drop really, really below zero. Well, not below zero. I think about below 6 or 7 tonight, and tomorrow's the 6th, so it's 7 tonight. It is freezing cold. It's going to turn all into ice. All into ice. So we have to throw salt now that it melts it away and it doesn't turn into black ice. So there it is. So every year you have to buy this bag of salt. I'll show you the salt. So this is the salt we use. And a bag like this goes for, I think this bag of salt is like $20 something. And you always have to have your shovel. Right. Yeah. Oh Lord. I gotta go back inside. It's freezing cold. I don't have on my thick jacket. I just wanted to show you the salt and the things. So after I clean the snow, this is what it looks like. I cleaned this driveway. You'll see. Remember I cleaned this driveway the other day? Thank God I did, because if I didn't clean the driveway, this would have been all a sheet of ice right now. Yeah. All right, I'm going to head back inside. Okay, so we went to Home Depot and bought all of these. One plastic tube pipe and another copper pipe. And guys, just to show you, things is not cheap here. So just this, and you will see. So he's using the glue on that to hold it in. So guys, if you need a good plumber and you're in the Dutchess, Poughkeepsie, Wappinger area, you can always shout me out and I can get him to come and do. He's a plumber.
Anytime.
Walter is a painter.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah, he does emergency calls. So if you're in the Poughkeepsie or Wappinger area, an emergency, you have a plumbing problem, you can always try to reach out to me and I'll get him for you guys. I'm having a headache, so I think I need some coffee. So I'm going to make some coffee for myself right now. So it's finished. And okay, if anything goes wrong, guys, this is his face, just in case. We'll come after him. We'll get him if anything goes wrong. Okay. Well, thank you, Jesus.
Sometimes it can feel like there's no way out of treatment-resistant depression. You take one antidepressant after another, and they aren't working.
Now it's cleaning time. And then tomorrow or the next day we'll try to get some sheetrock on. Yeah. All right, well, that's it for now. So tomorrow I'll just try to buy something for her and cheer her up. You know, it's too cold for ice cream, but I'll buy her and cheer her up. Anyway, I'll be posting this little video very shortly. And please like, share, and subscribe. And send a little love for Auntie Pauline. You can go over to her channel, AuntyPaulineYaadtoAbroad, and just write a nice little comment for her. All right, she's a little sad and depressed with the whole thing what's going on here. But it will be okay, and hopefully we'll get water back in the house tonight, and in a couple of days we'll have the whole ceiling fixed. So thank you again. Love you all. Blessings.